Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a recipe which you guys requested a lot. I am making some Yakhni Pulao. I already shared some different pulao recipes with you guys, some chicken pulao, vegetable pulao, even a Yakhni Pulao but in a slow cooker or crock pot. So let's go and learn one more time this amazing Yakhni Pulao. So first we're gonna make our yakhni broth. For that I'm adding meat in a cooking pot. It's a meat with the bones and it's a beef. You can add goat meat or chicken as well. Then I'm adding enough water which I'll be needing to make a broth. Now I'm adding some whole coriander seed with some fennel seed and cumin seed, some black cumin seed, and then I'll be adding some cloves and peppercorns, cinnamon stick, a big cardamom, any star seed, few small cardamom, nutmeg, and a little piece of mace with some cubed onions and ginger and garlic. You can add whole ginger and garlic as well, or mince will work same too. Then I'm adding a little bit of salt, like a teaspoon, mix everything well. Now cover and bring it to one boil. After that, I will cook this broth or a yakhni on a very slow flame until meat is completely tender. Then I'll take the meat out, drain the broth, and put it on the side. After doing all this, now we're gonna make our masala. For that, I'm heating up some oil and adding some sliced onion and fry them until they get very nice light golden color. Then I'll be adding some cumin seeds. Immediately mix and just make sure don't let the cumin seeds get burned. So just mix for like a couple of seconds and immediately I'm adding some chopped tomatoes. Then I'll cook the tomatoes until tomatoes are completely tender, soft, and oil separates and comes on top. Then I'm adding some ginger and garlic and cook for like a minute or two. Then I'll be adding my cooked meat, which we already cooked in a broth. And the purpose of adding the meat at this time is we want all this masala and everything to cover our meat. If you are using chicken, just mix it with very light hand, otherwise the rice chicken will break. So just cook it for like a couple of minutes and then I'll strain the broth and add it in this meat mixture. Let the broth come to a complete boil. Then I'm adding my pre-soaked rice in there. Mix the rice very well and then I'm adding some salt. Just make sure we added a teaspoon of salt already in the broth. And then I'm adding some grounded garam masala, pisa garam masala. Mix everything well, cover and cook until on a high flame until all extra water dries out and the top of the rice only have these kind of bubbles as you can see here. Mix one more time with a very light hand and then I'm putting it on dum with some green chilies on top, simmer, and then I'll transfer this pot on a griddle. This will give an equal heat onto a pot to get our rice cooked and rice won't get burned. So as you can see here, the the extra water dries out and rice are completely fluffed and cooked. So that's how my amazing yakhni pulao is ready to serve. Serve it with raita or kachumar salad. And if you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.